Welcome back. Time now for the business day. Digital lending company Dolla Financial Services has increased the size of its bond offer, citing strong investor demand. The company's board has approved an expansion of the invitation by $500 million, taking the total bond offer to $1.5 billion. The move follows what Dolla describes as excess demand for the issue. As a result of the upsize, the closing date has been extended from December 31 to January 9 next year. Dolla notes that it still retains the right to close the offer earlier once adequate subscriptions are received. Foreign exchange trading ended with banks and cambios selling the US dollar for an average $159.84. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $116.33. The pound is going for $214.10, while the euro is selling for an average $186.61. The JSE index declined by 234 points, while the junior market index advanced by 20 points. The winners included West Indies Petroleum Terminal, Kintyre Holdings, Margaritaville Turks US dollar shares, Epley Caribbean Property Fund, and 138 Student Living. The losers include JPS 7% preference shares, Caribbean Assurance Brokers, Caribbean Flavors and Fragrances, Sagicor Real Estate X Fund, and Sterling Investments. 17 stocks traded firm. And that's the business day. News from overseas after the break.